Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me, Mr. Asep. Okay, in this occasions, we are going to continue the lessons of transactional speaking. But before that, I would like to say Happy Eid Mubarak, Minal Aidin wal Faizin, mohon maaf lahir dan batin. And also stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home during this pandemic. Hopefully, this pandemic will be better soon. Amin. Are you ready, everyone? In this transactional speaking, we are going to learn the expressions of warning. Before that, let's take a look at the pictures. Let's analyze the picture. Here are some pictures of warning. It can be in the form of cautions and also danger, something like that. Okay, from these pictures, can you guess what is warning? What is the definitions of warning, everyone? You may write down your answers in the comment box below. All right, I'm waiting for you. Thank you. Now let's go on to definitions of a warning. A warning can be defined as something that makes us aware of possible danger or problem, especially one in the future. We can take a look at here the keywords that a warning is something that makes us aware or we can understand of the possible danger or problem if we do something related to the warning. Okay, so this is definitions of warning. And everyone, there are numbers of ways to give warning for someone. And we are going to learn some common expressions only, not all, yeah, about the warnings that are usually used in the daily lives and also daily signs. And in addition, there are also kinds of warnings starting from weak warnings or even strong warning and public warning notice, something like that. We are going to learn it one by one later. Let's check it out in the next slide, everyone. First of all, we are going to learn weak warning. What is weak warnings? These are also warnings of something that can happen in the future if we do something, but it relates to advice. Okay, weak warnings is the same as advice. Look at the examples like I wouldn't swim there if I were you. So the formula is like giving advice, or you can make it vice versa, like if I were you, I wouldn't swim. This is the formula. Or I don't think you should drink the water here. I don't think you ought to say no to the job offer. This is more formal than the previous sentences. Okay, these are the expressions of weak warnings related to advice. It's like something that will happen in the future, but it's not too dangerous for you. This is only advice whether you will do or won't do it. A word of warning. There are snakes on the trails. A word of warning is the same as be careful. So these are the expressions of weak warning, similar to advice. Okay. We can also underline some of the expressions here or highlight this one, the black one. And the next one is strong warnings. In strong warnings, it's something that relates to serious problems or danger in the future if we do something. And we usually use the phrase or the expressions of don't or do not in strong warnings, everyone. Like the examples is don't cross the road when the pedestrian light is red. This one is don't cross. These strong warnings because it will be a problem if you cross the road when the light is red. The problems will be serious, like you'll be hit by the car or something like that. Don't try to open the door. These are also the expressions of strong warning. And don't is also possible to be put in the middle of the sentence, like whatever you do, don't take a lift from an unofficial taxi driver. Don't is in the middle of the sentence. Okay, use don't plus verb one for strong warnings. Okay, don't or do not. This is like strong warnings. In strong warning, sometimes we also use I warn you. We also say I warn you or I must warn you. Okay, these are also for strong warnings. We have it's a wonderful restaurant, but I warn you, it isn't cheap. I must warn you, it gets very cold at night in the mountains. Make sure to bring some warm clothes. These expressions are the same. Functions, the same. To provide someone about strong warnings, because if we do not follow the warnings, then there will be serious problems or danger accidents in the future. It's a strong warning. The other kinds of warnings also public warning notices. In public warning notices, we often use like beware of, cautions, warning, and danger. All of them are having the meaning of giving someone's like a notice, okay, or possible problems happening in the future if we do this related to the warning. We have like beware of the dog, okay, cautions, colon, wet floor, warnings, building site is private property. Dangerous strong currents if like we are going to swim in in the river, for example. Currents means flow, okay? Strong flow in the river or sometimes also for electricity. Now, these expressions like beware of caution, warning, danger are public warning notices we usually find in public places. And all of them have the same meaning, which is giving the readers or someone to be careful of something. And the last kind of danger or warning is warning of immediate danger. Sometimes it is used in spoken English when we want to say something to warn someone about an immediate danger. Okay, immediate dangers, like when we are doing something with our friends or with people, then there is immediate danger. We can use this immediate danger warning. Like the phrases are careful, be careful, watch out, look out, mind. Be careful, the chair is broken. Then maybe we are, like sitting on the chair, but the chair is broken. Then this is immediate danger. Watch out, you're about to hit the car behind you. And you and your friends are driving car perhaps, and these are the immediate danger. Look out, there's a rock falling. You are climbing a mountains or a hill, and there is rock falling. Then this is the immediate dangers in spoken English. Mind your step. The same meaning as pay attention to the step. The shorter is better because it is immediate danger. Those are the expressions of warning of immediate danger in spoken English, having the same meaning of giving notice to people to be careful of something in the future. Will happen if we do the things. Okay. Last but not least, these are your tasks, everyone. You have to find a warning notice and take a selfie with it. Send it to the group and interpret the message. Okay, it can be done whenever and wherever you find the notice. Okay, so far, is there any questions, everyone? Should you have any queries, then you can put them down in the comment below. If you find this video useful, you may like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, write it down here. Thank you very much for your attention and participations. Don't forget to do the tasks, everyone. See you in the next video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.